हेलो दिलीप जी, वेलकम टू फिल्मी वीक। फर्स्टली कांग्रेचुलेशन। ट्रेलर जो है वो थोड़ा कंफ्यूज जरूर लग रहा है, तो क्या आप बताना चाहेंगे किस तरीके से ये 12 o'clock क्यों है टाइटल एंड क्या है इसकी कहानी?
आपको ट्रेलर कंफ्यूज लग रहा है?
थोड़ा सा, यस, मुझे थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग लगा बिकॉज वो जो इमेजेस आ रहे थे अचानक से भूत दिख रहा है, लेकिन उसकी स्टोरी मुझे थोड़ी समझ नहीं आई।
देखिए, ट्रेलर का मतलब ही यही होता है कि कहानी और फिल्म की थोड़े झलक दे। ट्रेलर कहानी बताने के लिए नहीं बनाया जाता है। ट्रेलर्स मेड जस्ट टू गिव यू अ फ्लेवर, जस्ट अ टच,
राइट।
a little sprinkling of what is expected, the kind of film it is, किस किस्म की पिक्चर है ये, in which genre it's made. I think it's a very good trailer. I've seen the trailers, and the trailer manages to create enough sort of interest in the audience as to what might be. और ये पिक्चर थोड़ी हटके लगती है, अलग लगती है मुझे, और विशेषकर सस्पेंस फिल्म्स में ट्रेलर्स में ज्यादा बताना उचित नहीं है।
सही बात है। एंड फ्लोरा हमारे साथ जुड़ चुकी है। फ्लोरा, कैन यू हियर मी?
I can, loud and clear.
All right. So talking about this film, yeah. Okay, so talking about this, Flora, हमने ऑलरेडी आपको पहले देखा है, आपने स्क्रीन में ऑलरेडी एक बार भूत बन चुकी हो, दिस इज लाइक अगेन वी आर सीइंग। तो क्या कुछ कहना चाहोगे अबाउट दिस फिल्म एंड हाउ वाज इट वर्किंग विद रामू?
मैंने अपना करियर साउथ से शुरू किया था, एंड इट इज सो फनी कि मैं रामू सर के साथ जितने लोग उनके असिस्टेंट्स रह के डायरेक्टर बन चुके हैं, who are doing very very well, I have worked with almost all of them. And all of them would tell me, oh, you have to work with boss, you have to work with boss. I was like, yeah, I mean, how? You're saying work with him, but he doesn't even know I exist. तो फिर किसी ने मेरे को उनका नंबर दिया, and I sent a hi. I said, sir, I'm Flora Singh. He says, okay. खत्म हो गई बात वहाँ, okay. And then after such a long time when I got to work with him, it was really, I think, जो इतने साल लोगों ने मुझे बोलते रहे कि you must work with boss, and finally I was working with him, so I was overjoyed. स्त्री के बाद I think the thing is that हमने 12 o'clock की शूटिंग स्त्री से काफी पहले की थी. तो 12 o'clock के बाद में स्त्री बनी. जब आप देखोगे तो आपको मेरी लाइफ की क्रोनोलॉजी समझ में आएगी कि पहले 12 o'clock में मैं भूत बन के फिर मैं स्त्री बन के डराने आई हूँ. It's just that रिलीज उल्टा हुआ है, but I totally enjoyed. It was I think हिंदी नहीं, मैंने अपने करियर में 3 भूत की शायद फिल्में की हैं, and this was the first, and it had to be with RJV sir. उससे ज्यादा खुशी की बात मेरे लिए और कुछ नहीं हो सकती.
ऑलराइट, सो अगर हम भूत की बात कर रहे हैं तो दिलीप जी, आपसे और फ्लोरा, आप दोनों से जानना चाहूंगी कि रियल लाइफ में डू यू बिलीव कि घोस्ट कैसे एग्जिस्ट करते हैं?
सॉरी,
in reality, in real life, do you guys believe कि ghost exist?
well, if ghosts exist, then I hope they look like Fiona. Because now that I've got my hi, how are you? Now that I've got my glasses on, she looks so pretty. I hope there are more. I hope there are more ghosts. I hope there are more ghosts that look like you here. Anyway, hi Makran, how are you, buddy?
Fine. You're looking
Meet
nice.
again.
Nice green color. What's that?
I didn't expect you. I didn't think you were hearing, so I thought I'll. Yeah, it's a very it's a question that I really don't know how to answer, because frankly speaking, no, I don't believe in ghosts, because I don't think there are sort of spirits flying around and possessing people. However, there is sufficient evidence in the world to suggest that there have been situations where people could possibly have been possessed by another sort of maybe a psychological condition or a psychiatric condition. So I tend to think that it is more, perhaps more clinical than actually a ghost or somebody else entering your body. But that's me. I mean, I don't really believe in ghosts and the supernatural to that extent. I mean, I do believe there are powers around us that control our lives or maybe have an influence on our lives. But as far as being possessed by another spirit or another person is a bit stretching it a bit far as I'm concerned. And that's my character in the film, because my character in the film actually doesn't believe it at all. He feels that this is all a law and order situation and everybody is actually, just going mad.
Okay, and well, आप दोनों से जानना चाहूंगी अभी, Makranji and Flora, what are your takes? What do you guys feel? Does ghost exist or like this is just a fiction?
पता नहीं बाहर है कि नहीं है, पर हमारे दिलो दिमाग पर तो है, क्योंकि बचपन से हम कहानियां सुनते आए हैं। मतलब कि उधर से मत जाओ, वो ऐसा वाला गोश्त घूमता है जो आपकी मुंडी काट दे। फिर मतलब कि ये कर रहा है वो, बस क्रॉप्स वॉप्स नहीं कर रहा है वो, सिर्फ इज क्रॉपिंग द हेड्स ऑफ, देन ये कहानियां सुनी थी कि वो टांगे में बैठे थे, वो रात में चला रहा था टांगा, और जब उसके पैरों पर ध्यान दिया गया तो उसके पैर उल्टे थे। ऐसी कई कहानियां हैं मतलब। और सफेद साड़ी वाली औरत तो फ्लोरा जी हमने तो सुना ही है कि उसको तो हमने सुना ही है कि वो एक भूत आपके लिए है रखा। So I don't know, so I think they always say that till it doesn't happen to you, you really don't know. But I have experienced one thing where two of my actors, when they were left alone at night in a theater, that one person felt that somebody asked him to wake up and play badminton with him, and he was shit scared. And the other guy, quietly sleeping next to him because he doesn't believe in anything, वो तो उल्टा शांति से ब्रश करके सोया, मतलब। So I don't know, both exist. So for me, till it happens to me, I don't know, but I have two stories. So yes, but I know कि भूत की कहानी में मनोरंजन ज्यादा है, because it help it, हमारे अंदर जो भी fear है वो हम भूत पे डाल देते हैं और वो entertaining हो जाता है, I guess. So I think, and in this film, I think the character which I'm playing is I'm playing a helpless father. You see, a father, when his loving daughter is possessed, he doesn't understand, and he doesn't have enough IQ to understand whether it is a psychological problem, whether it is some kind of disorder which is causing this manifestation kind of thing. But definitely, I would say that भूत प्रेत ये हमारे बहुत नजदीकी शब्द। ऐसा नहीं कोई जितना चोर डकैत हमारे नजदीक है उतना ही मुझे लगता है भूत प्रेत भी हमारे नजदीक है।
All right, and Sona, what is your take?
So, it's very funny, but most of the girls, school में, I don't know if you've done this, Sonu, ever. School में हम लोग एक चीज करते थे, हम लोग पेंसिल से ना स्पिरिट बुलाते थे। सिर्फ ये whether that was electromagnetic और जो भी था, हम we choose to believe कि स्पिरिट आती थी और हमें बताती थी कौन सा लड़का likes us, हमारी शादी होने वाली है, and we used to ask him like, if it's a yes, just go up, if it's a no, and it used to work. It used to work because there were times when the spirit said no for a certain guy and वो breakup होता ही होता था. So I choose to believe that they are spirits, but luckily हमारा पाला अच्छी spirit से पड़ा. एक वो white साड़ी वाली जो भूत है ना, उससे तो I really want to meet someday because जितना हम कहानियाँ I think चलती ही जानी है उसकी. And I really, she is my star. एक दिन तो मैं मिलना चाहूंगी वो white साड़ी वाली से, बाकी और वो लैंटर्न या मोमबत्ती होगी हाथ पे शायद।
Right. And when
यार मुझे बता दे कि एक मिनट, मुझे सिर्फ इतना ही कहना है कि चलो हमने सब मान लिया, हमारे पास मोबाइल है, ओके, मल्टीप्लेक्स में सारे शोज खत्म हुए और आप बाथरूम में आपको वक्त ज्यादा लग गया, अब आप आ रहे हो और कोई है नहीं, आपको नहीं डर लगता? आपको डर लग सकता जहां पर हमने फिल्म देखी, अभी मालूम है कि फिल्म है भैया, तो सो इट इज गोइंग टू प्ले इन योर माइंड, वेदर वो है या नहीं, इट इज गोइंग टू प्ले इन योर माइंड कि अंधेरा या लोनलीनेस जहाँ कोई है नहीं, और फिर आवाजें, हमें लगता है हम सुनते ही नहीं है कई आवाजें, जब हम अकेले हो जाते हैं ना तब आवाजें सुनते हैं। अभी मैं इंडोनेशिया में हूँ तो इस छत पर अभी कई आवाजें हैं, लेकिन अभी सुनाई नहीं दे रही, रात में आवाज सुनाई देती है कई सारी। तो अभी अगर मुझे किसी ने कहानी बताई होती, जैसे कोई कह रहा था यहाँ से है ना एक लड़की लाइट लेके चली जाती है और पता नहीं आगे तो समंदर ही है, फिर कहीं गायब हो जाती है, अब ये कहानी मुझे बताई गई है। अब मुझ में अगर ताकत है तो मैं रात में जागूं और देखूं उसको, पर कहानी है, कहानी है, कहने की बात है, हर जगह की एक कहानी होती है, भूत की।
एग्जैक्टली,
अब उसकी सच्चाई ढूंढने का पता नहीं, वो सच्चाई ढूंढनी चाहिए भी या नहीं चाहिए, वो है।
करेक्ट। अगर मैं आप तीनों से जानना चाहूंगी कि लाइफ में ऐसी कौन सी अभी तक की सबसे जो है डरावनी हॉरर फिल्म है जो आपने देखी है एंड काफी लंबा वक्त तक उसका इम्पैक्ट आपके लाइफ पे पड़ा हुआ होगा, तो ऐसी कौन सी फिल्म होगी, कौन सी पिक्चर ने आपको शेड दिया है, लाइक यू गाइस रियली स्कैर्ड?
मैं एक बात कहना चाहूंगा, अगर मैंने कभी भी हॉरर फिल्म बनाई है तो मैं जो लड़की है जो सफेद साड़ी, उसको मैं प्रिंटेड साड़ी में डालूंगा, ताकि ये पूरा जो ट्रेडिशन है, सफेद साड़ी का जो ट्रेडिशन है जो बैकलाइट के लिए किया जाता है, उसको मैं बिल्कुल बदल दूं।
ऑलराइट, एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस मूवीज, कौन सी मूवीज आप तीनों ने देखी है जिसका वक्त काफी लंबे इम्पैक्ट तक आप लोगों के ऊपर, थोड़ा सा डरावना?
मेरे ख्याल से अगर हिंदी फिल्मों में तो भूत और रामू जी की रात, और एग्जॉर्सिस्ट जो सबको पता है, और एक रिंग करके फिल्म आई थी, उसने मुझे डरा दिया, तो टीवी में से भूत बाहर आता, वो औरत बाहर आती। ये 2-3 फिल्में लॉन्ग इम्पैक्ट रही है एज होस्ट।
Okay, and
I like.
yeah.
I like. Can I speak? Sorry,
Yeah.
am I interrupting?
No. Sir,
I like films that have like this one, like 12 o'clock. मुझे वो फिल्म पसंद आती है, हॉरर फिल्म्स जिनमें साइकोलॉजिकल हॉरर हो, जहाँ ऐसी बातें हो जो मतलब ये मुमकिन हो सकती हैं। एक पिक्चर आई थी, उसका नाम था ऑर्फन, where a girl is actually 30 years old, but she has a condition that makes her look very young. वो एक बच्ची बन के आती है घर के अंदर, और बाद में मालूम पड़ता है कि she's got a psychological disorder, and वो मतलब she's a murderer, and she's actually 30 years old. That was very scary. That transformation between वो मतलब बच्ची के रूप से जब तू 30 साल की या 35 साल की लगती है, it was really scary. So I like psychological drama. I like Omen. I liked Omen very much because that was a direct conflict between Satan and the church. That possession was connected to evil, and they used the church, that's religion, to fight against this condition, which is basically the conflict. That is it science? Is it a medical condition, or is it something to do with religion or faith or possession?
Well said, yeah.
I don't know. It's all very mysterious.
Yeah.
But right now when I see Makran, I'd much prefer Fauna as a ghost.
Flora.
Sorry, Flora.
Flora, तुम तो कैसी भी चले preference है, whether ghost or whatever यार, देखो यार, तुमने हमारे सारे रोल ले लिए यार.
For me, I think both of you have answered. So Makran sir's Raat and Dalit sir's Omen. These are the two names that I had in mind, and they both said it. So yeah, one of each, and they have not left my mind. Omen, Raat and Omen. I mean, just without, I don't even remember, like jitna mujhe yaad hai, there was no evil get up, right? There was no scary face, no ugly face, no nothing, but it scared the living daylight out of you, and I think that was brilliant.
That's precisely the point, that there are certain ones like Frankenstein, where he's got bolts sticking out of his head and all. I find that very comic. What is really scary is when it's natural, it's normal, and there is a condition which is beyond people's understanding.
Correct.
Also,
Absolutely.
people say when when you shoot or like such supernatural films, usually sets पे भी ऐसे कुछ हो जाता है, कुछ horror चीजें or something like that. So have you guys witnessed that too? कि set पे ऐसा कुछ हुआ हो, something like that? Because usually people say कि when they shoot horror films, sets पे ऐसा कुछ हो जाता है.
Well, working with Ram Gopal Verma ji, there's always a situation where something might happen that you begin to think that bhoot aa jata hai set. I'm just joking. It's an absolute pleasure because Ramu has a style and he has a way of really creating an atmosphere on the set where at least I remember that scene where this girl is sitting and the commissioner and Mitunda's character become, and Makarand is there as the father. And it was a very, very scary scene because the lighting and the way it was done, it was very theatrical actually. You felt like you were in a real life situation. So yeah, working with Mr. Ram Gopal Verma is a very exciting process and very enjoyable as well. Yeah, finished. Okay.
All right. So, what are your takes, guys? कितने excitement है and what you have to say because such a long time, like ये shoot कब हुई थी, release कितने time बाद हो रही है, but at least release हो रही है. And talking about this lockdown, what do you have to say? And yes, currently your excitement level.
फिल्म का रिलीज होना अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. बहुत मेहनत से फिल्म बनती है और खास करके ये जो जॉनर है जिसको हम साइकोलॉजिकल हॉरर बोले, इमोशनल हॉरर बोले या हॉरर बोले, well any fear element is eventually horror if it is cannot trace the source of it, then it is fear. And वो थिएटर में जाके देखने का ही मजा है. अगर हम कहते हैं कि हॉरर फिल्म आप देखिएगा OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पे, तो वैसे ही उसका थोड़ा मजा कम हो जाता है, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. थिएटर हैज इट, और आजकल थिएटर एटमॉस थिएटर वगैरह हो गए तो ऊपर से साउंड है, सो द साउंड प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. एंड आई थिंक glad that after so many months of waiting at home, nothing to do, at least what we've done before is now reaching cinema halls. And I would really request and appeal to the audience that they should take precautions. And even I have visited multiplexes watching film post lockdown when I saw Tenet, and the theaters are really taking care. So there should be no scare or worry about that, and they can go inside and enjoy this experience. And Ramu is quite a master filmmaker, not only of this genre but other also. And I think this is, as he also says, is one of his, or maybe the best in this genre film. So please go and let this help even the theaters, cinema halls, and the whole experience of enjoying films in the cinema hall, and keep the tradition on. And we are part of it. We are happy. And to tell you about experience, whether Mithunda, Dilip sir, or Tom is not there, but I would like to remember Tom also, or Ashish Vidyarthi, Krishna, the main girl, then Mano Kaur. I think the whole, or Divya Jagdale, who plays my wife, the daughter's mother. We experienced acting from a real little different perspective, which is a horror genre, and so it was very real also for us. But the extreme emotion which all of us experienced during shoot. There used to be kind of pin drop silence, because and that was eerie, I feel, and that is there being captured in the film. And in fact, I'm dying to hear M.M. Kirwani's music. In the trailer, it sounds so great. So I'm dying to see the film, and I hope everybody really try at least दो लोग करके जाना, but देखना, and then come back, get scared, and go back with another 2 people, and please do that. I would say that.
All right, what you guys have to say, what you'll add on?
For me?
Yeah.
I totally endorse and echo Makran's feelings. And I think after the lockdown, the cinema theaters the world over have taken such a huge hit. And OTT platforms, of course, are saturated because of that, which is a good thing, because the OTT platforms have given a lease of life to the industry and to everybody who works in it. But I think the time is right now. The time has come, as Makran quite rightly said. Theatres are taking good precautions, and I think it's time that people went back to the theatre. And I'm really proud and excited that one of the first few films to come after the lockdown is 12 o'clock. And I'm sure it's going to be a wonderful theatrical experience. So, as Makran said, I'd like to tell you all out there, please try and get out of the house with full precautions. Please don't throw precaution to the winds. Please go out there, see this movie in the movie theatre. It'll be a fantastic experience, and you'll get some, I don't know if they're serving any popcorn, but don't worry, everything else is popping and burping and scaring you in the film, going boo and poo. So, you'll have enough fun. So I wish you all a wonderful theatrical experience. And I wish the entire star cast and the cast and crew of 12 o'clock a huge success. And my compliments to all of you for bringing in such a wonderful movie. I have to leave you now, I'm afraid. But thank you very much. Makran, you take care of yourself. Fauna,
Yes.
all the best. And love you, take care. I've got this lovely location where you're sitting. I would have been with you, but alas, some other time.
All right, and
Take care. Take care.
thank you so much, Deepthi. And Sara, what do you have to say?
I just want to say, don't miss this film, guys. Like both of them said that, the cinemas have started after such a long time. It's a horror film. It has got some amazing actors like all of us. And there's one person you cannot miss, and that's Makran sir. Trust me, when Ramu sir showed me the little, clip wo dikhate hain apne actors ko, just to get a little sense of what do we have to say once the film is done. So I remember him showing it to me, I think the trailer, the first, jab unhone initially cut kiya tha, and I could not believe, I kept on looking at Makran sir in that trailer, and I'm saying, I know him. Trust me, you would have never seen Makran sir like how you're going to see him in 12 o'clock. He's the real surprise package. He's the one you should be looking forward to. No, I mean it. I could not recognize you at all. It took me it really took me a long time. Then I had to recheck with Ramu sir. Is this Makran Deshpande? He says, yeah. I said, my God, what a transformation. Trust me, you're not going to recognize him. He's looking fab. So different.
Definitely, we'll love to see. And guys, जाने से पहले, what appeal you want to give to the fans and the viewers, those who are watching you? And also, since we know this is promotion, so can we see you like in some reality shows like Big Boss or things like couple of reality shows are on? So क्या कुछ promotion वहाँ पर भी जाने का कुछ हो सकता है as of now?
यार मैं तो बहुत दूर हूँ, इसलिए मैं तो Zoom से ही जाऊँगा, जहाँ भी Zoom से पहुँच जाऊँगा और वैसे उतना ही होगा बस.
Sir, what about you?
बस लोगों ने जहाँ लोग पहुँच जाने चाहिए. मुझे क्या लगता है कि ऐसी फिल्म में किसी का होना जरूरी नहीं है. आप लोग जाओ और फिल्म देखो. भैया ये एक्सपीरियंस ले लो, मैं कहूँगा, है ना. भूत को बाहर ढूंढते फिरोगे, उससे अच्छा हम बता रहे हैं ना आपको. आओ, है ना.
All right, all the best, guys, and thank you so much for giving us time. And we wish good luck for you, and hope 2021 really brings happiness. Thank you so much, guys, for giving us time. Yeah, bye bye.